Hello everyone, welcome back again to Mufasuket channel with Solidworks basic tutorial. Today we will learn 3D modeling, how to create this 3D pillar part. Okay, open your Solidworks software and first I will click sketch here and choose sketch. You can choose this top line. Okay, next I will use line command to create simple 2D sketch. Okay, we create this sketch with line command. And next you can use this smart dimension command to change this length object into 10. Okay, and I will change again in here into 5. We change in here into 3. In here into 3.5. Okay, in here into 4. And last at this line into 5. Okay, next I will use a circle command and choose this 3 points option. We create circle at this point, click in here and last in here. Okay, next I will use trim entities command to cut this line object. We cut in here and we cut this circle object. Okay, I will use a fillet command and change radius into 2. You can change in here. I will fillet at this corner. Okay. You can click OK. Next I will change radius into 1 and I will fillet at this corner. Click OK to apply. Next I will convert this 2D sketch into 3D models. You can click feature tab and then click extrude boss or base. Okay, first you can close this fillet command and then click extrude boss or base. Okay, I will change this depth of this extrusion command into 1. Okay, next you can click OK. I will click at this face and then we can create a circle command. You can click a circle. Okay, I will click at the center point. We create again at the center point and last we create in here. Okay. I will use a smart dimension to change this circle's dimension into 2. We change again this circles into 2 and the last circle we change into 2. Okay, we click OK to apply and then I will use extrude boss or base command to extrude these 3 circles into 5 millimeters and you can click OK to apply. Okay, next I will create this small cylinder, okay, with diameter 0.2. Okay, you can select this face and then I will use this command, okay, reference plane. You can click here and then I will change into flip offset. Okay, you can use distance 2 and apply. Next I will click sketch and then choose this plane. Okay, I will change view into here, right view, and then we create circle again at this point, okay, in the middle, and we can use smart dimension to change this circle diameter into 0.2, okay, 0.2, and then I will give a distance from the center point into this point. 1. Okay, next you can click OK and then use extrude boss or base. Okay, we extrude this circle object. Okay, I will change this direction into this point and then you can click OK to apply. Okay, we already created this small cylinder objects. Finally, we can create a circle at this face and then we can make hole in this object. Okay, you can select this face and then I will use circle command. You can click here circle. I will start from the center point. Okay, we start again from center point in here. And then I will create again at center point in here. Okay. Okay, I will delete this object, it's not in center. I will create a circle again from center point, okay, in here. Next, you can use a smart dimension to change this circle's diameter into 1.6, and I will change again in here into 1.6. Okay, and the last circle we change into 1.6. Next, you can click OK, and then you can use extrude cut to cut these 3D models with this circle reference. Okay, you can click here. Okay, you can see this is the result, and you can click OK to cut this object and make hole in here. You can click here. Okay, we already create this simple 3D pillar part with Solidworks software. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video, and see you next time in another Solidworks 3D modeling basic tutorial.